Hi guys, Stephanie here with All Mom Does, and I have my 10-year-old daughter Mackenzie with me as well. Every year around this time in the fall, we always have an issue with fruit flies, and I posted a remedy for that you guys can go ahead and check out on the blog here. But this year we had these little bit larger bugs that one of my friends educated us on that are likely drain flies, which is super gross, but basically they like to lay their eggs like in a moist environment, so like in your pipes, in your drain where there's water. And I've talked to a few of my neighbors and they're also having this issue this year. So we don't really know where it's stemming from. We don't think that we have like standing water anywhere or anything like that, but we do know that there's a remedy for them. It's super easy. I've done it before, it totally worked, but I thought I gotta share it. So here's all you need. You're gonna need a half cup of baking soda and then a full cup of vinegar. You're gonna want these measurements for each drain in your house. So kitchen, bathrooms, laundry room, whatever you have in your house, you're gonna want those measurements for each. So I'm gonna show you what you do and it's super easy. Okay, so Mackenzie has our half cup of baking soda and she's gonna sprinkle it around the drain and then in the drain. Yep. All the way in. And then when she does that, perfect. She's gonna pour the cup of vinegar. It's gonna sound like a science experiment, which is kind of the fun part. She's gonna dump it in. It's gonna bubble up. Listen.
That's so fun.
Yep, and then we're gonna leave that for about 10 minutes. You can really leave it for longer, but we just do about 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 12 minutes. I have the hottest water that we could get without boiling because I read that boiling water could be bad for your pipes. So I kind of read different thoughts of that, but I decided not to do boiling. So we have very hot water. So maybe don't have your 10-year-old do it, but we're gonna have her be very careful. So very hot water down the drain and then all in there. Get that baking soda, Mac, yep. And we have more on hand. Okay, and that's all you do. And then apparently that's gonna kill whatever eggs or nasty things might be in there. Again, do it to all of your drains. I also read that if you're gonna be out of town for a few days, cover your drains. I think that's all. Continue to check out All Mom Does for additional tips, tricks, and daily inspiration.